Hi, everybody. It's about 11:30 Pacific Standard Time, and I thought I'd just quickly follow up with Apple stock, what we've been sort of talking about these last few sessions. And you may notice that yesterday I talked about how I felt the breakout was sort of premature. I had drawn out this 11 or 112.59 line, and it had acted as previous resistance, and then we consolidated above it. We bounced off of it pre-market and had this breakout yesterday, and then we gapped higher today. And you can see we failed sort of really both ways of holding up any significant level. Today we've been sort of downtrending below the volume weighted average price. We've tried several times to break through it. So what's interesting about this is that if you were to look, for example, at the Bollinger Band, which is one of my favorite technical indicators, and the way the band works is, the wider the lower band and the upper band is, the more volatile a stock. And so you can see leading up to the split, Apple was extremely bullish. A lot of people wanted to get involved, and they enjoyed, this great run up. And then it's really sold off, but it didn't sell off. It was really sort of a down stepping grind to get through it. So you can see that as it sort of came down, we've hit sort of these more recent lows in the low 100s, and we were trading below the 50-day moving average. And now we've used a 50-day moving average as well as this blue line to support the stock, and having, this, what I think is a false breakout. And the reason why I say it's a false breakout is you can see the channel between the Bollinger Band is downtrending, and so is the 20 days. So the 20 days represented with this dotted line. So you have a downtrending stock, and you have this essentially rejection of the higher price, right? So we started here, we've obviously pushed this thing down. So I still hold this level of 112 as a great support line. So for example, in short, if you were trying to go long in Apple, I necessarily wouldn't buy where we're at. I would wait for sort of a confirmation of, adding around the 112s, and looking for sort of an oversold. At the end of the day, we've been sort of neutral with Apple, and we see the MACD is actually turning positive. So it's definitely something that, with the iPhone announcement no more than 2 weeks away, it's definitely something that's on everybody's radar. But, with this rejection of this price, and we had a lot of consolidation in this range, I would, if I were to buy a long, I would definitely wait to get at a discount. And like I said, having this rejection and having this sort of down channel, it's kind of interesting to see what this is going to do. But my expectation is we'll retest this level before we, when we get it validated, before we bounce any higher. And that'll give time for a lot of these signals to become positive. And also keep in mind in your RSI, just check it, make sure that you're not getting in when it's overbought and you're paying a premium like you were back here leading up to the split. Okay, I hope that helps. Leave a comment if you have any questions or comments. Thank you.